Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making homemade apple strudel using crescent rolls. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Let's get in today's video. Okay, so what you're going to need for this recipe is really simple. If you missed Saturday's live, we made some homemade apple pie filling. And I will be sure and link that video up in the description below. But even if you don't have your own pie filling, you can use store-bought pie filling and work just as good. You need some crescent rolls. I'm using the Sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls, which I think it'll just give an extra kick, but you can use regular crescent rolls as well. All right, so first thing you want to do is put a little flour down on your working surface because you don't want it to stick. Okay. And hope that it doesn't do just that. But if it does, we're going to lay it back out and pinch it together in one sheet. Now, I have seen where they say they make it where it's not perforated. I have yet to ever see those in the grocery store. So that may be a regional thing. If y'all have ever seen those, comment down below because I've never seen those. So I'm just going to pinch those together because you don't. All right, and then we're going to put a little bit of flour on top. Just a little. And then we're going to roll this out just a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of flour on my rolling pin. I don't want it to stick. Flatten this out just a little. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I've got some softened butter. Butter knife over here. I'm using real butter. Always use real butter. Grab a knife. and it helps that your butter is softened. Okay. Okay, so do y'all remember the apple pie spice that we made in Monday's video? So I'm going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to sprinkle a little of that over the okay. Now I'm going to take a little bit of brown sugar. It's easier to do with my fingers. Now I'm going to take my apple pie filling like I said, I will link this in the description. But look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And just kind of evenly disperse this over. Kind of in the center, because you're going to just roll this up. You don't want it too thick because you want to be able to roll it. What I don't use in this recipe, I can use, put over oatmeal or use in other things, so. Okay, and the last thing for this amazing little dish, if you've been on my channel for very long, you know my family and I have a debate whether pecans belong and everything. Guess who won this argument? Of course pecans belong in this. All right. Now, we are gently going to start trying to roll this up. Your sides like this start trying to come apart, just gently try to mush them back together. And then take your little ends together here. And then I've got my little square pan here. And then I am just going to put it in here. And we're going to put it in a 350 oven and bake it for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to check it again. I'm going to brush it with some more butter. and sprinkle it with a little bit more of my apple pie seasoning on top real quick. Find a knife. I am going to take my clothespins off this before I put it in the oven. Okay, we will be back in about 10 minutes. And I'm going to bring this over. This is nice and bubbly. I have made up a little bit of our strudel is, you just slice it up. Put you some on a plate. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Put it on a plate. Take some of our, this is a simple powdered sugar icing that's just a cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and then you just add a teaspoon of milk till you get it to the consistency you want. And then we're just going to drizzle a little bit on top. And just an easy strudel, apple strudel that just takes minutes to do. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, my friends. Thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all those fun things. Share it with a friend. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.